Hello guys, so today we are fixing charging system for the headphone. These red ones, the Chinese brand, which are not original. So this type of headphones tend to have a very loose charging system. Well, uh, let me not call it fake, but they tend to have a very bad charging system. So today we are going to replace it. As you can see, they are still newish, but they are not new. So we start by dismantling it. You can see. So we remove those speaker wires because we don't want them uh, to have big problem. So after removing it, we are going to the charging system. Well, it was loose, so I just touched it and it just came right off. So after it came off, so we're going to clear or to clean the solder that was there before, the one that was holding the other charging system. We're going to clean it as I've told you before. You clean it using your solder gun. So you take another solder, you place it on top of it, and then you rub it, it will come right off. But that is after you apply flux. So this one we are not going to use a hot air machine, as you have seen. I don't like using the hot air machine. It spoils so many things. So we get the right charging system to put it there. It uses this China mobile phone charging system. So there is no charging system for headphones and for phones. They all use the same. So we apply that solder to the charging system, as I said before, because we want it to stick to the board. So after placing it there, we're going to seal the charging system to its place. As you can see there, seal it with using the solder gun, because as you know me, I don't like using the hot air, because like in this situation, when you burn this board, it's a small board. When you direct so much heat to it will spoil so many things, and we don't want that. In Kiswahili, it's what you call mauso. So we don't want that. So I tried to use this solder gun. So you can see we're going to finish it like that. After setting it, I'm going to test it. It is working, and as you can see, it is working. It's not that hard. You just need a solder gun. That's it. So we're not going to do anything else. So we tested it a second time and it works. So good job to us.